Dad farting.
Oh, did you hear it?
I don't know, maybe.
Well, how did you know you farted?
I heard it.
Oh,
Just now I picked it up.
Okay, I need to hold on tight to this wall. This thing ain't going down the drain. This was a gift from Daddy. This was a gift from Daddy. I'm not losing this ball.
Shrimp are growing in there.
The next 5
Yeah, they
minutes
have
is
them.
gone. The next 5 minutes you lose it. Look at Bo got hit.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Hey, there's a light, bud. This is why we play with magic. That's it, like that's it. Okay, how'd it go again? How'd you Bye-bye. That was good. It tastes better crunchy.
Careful.
Yeah, they taste better crunchy.
They do, huh?
Yeah. I'm happy you can eat those crunchies. It's exciting.
Oh, I'll get them next time again, hey?
Yay. The crunchier the better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it'd be any good because there'd be so much water running through it.
Yeah, I reckon it'd be very... We'll see.
How much longer? How much up the street? Of what? Of bounces. Of me catching. Oh, yeah? I have a shrink and rifles and it's like an 8-win shrink. I only need to win 2 more to get another fire rack. And it's probably going to be on my bow because that's the second, second one I bought was chainsaw, so it has to be on that chainsaw. That's a bit mossy.
Mossy? It's a bit cloudy, isn't it?
Brown, like,
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can see so many guppies off the top. I can see 2. Look at the amount of guppies under there.
plenty of guppies there.
Pardon?
Plenty of guppies.
Yeah, look at how many there are. Down the bay.
Look at all under those branches there.
Oh my god, this is a huge one.
Why is there never enough weight in this thing? How am I doing it? There's never enough weight.
Want me to get a rock?
Yep. Please.
What if I find a rock?
Oh, look how many there are.
Alright.
Rock or something heavy.
Oh, come with me.
There's one water bottle down there.
No. Put you in. This one? Will that work? That's too deep. Yeah, I don't know, maybe that's concreted in. Yeah. Too big. This side, maybe. Maybe they're not concreted in.
I used all my strength on that thing and I could knock it out.
It's a bit sludgy and gross, isn't it?
Yeah.
Last time we used gravel from in the water. I don't think I can get them out. I think they're stuck in there. I wonder if Miss Tingy has any. Careful, it's really wet and sludgy. I wonder if Miss Tingy has any. Probably to find some. Okay, be very gentle walking across this. You don't want to make too much noise. Or vibrations. Maybe scream out and tell Ollie not to bounce the ball. Did you find something?
Yeah.
Oh, did you find something? Cool. Daddy's found one.
What? You find that? Two rocks. You've created the most intelligent way to catch guppies. here very nice. Yes!
We got about 4.
We got a few, actually.
Take the rocks out so we don't crush them. Good call.
We got like,
4 or something?
yeah, we got 4.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, we got a couple. Dad, is it my turn?
What's for that beer, man?
My
Yep,
turn?
someone else can have a turn. So you seen how I done it? You just
It's my turn. I see one.
there's a red one.
Really? Let's grab the red one.
See it? It's at the back there now.
Oh my god, I see a massive one.
You need to go out that way because they're all sitting near the edge there. Hold it.
Oh, there's the red one.
That's right. It's not many sleeping over it.
That's a
Oh,
good
look
one.
how many there are in that bush area there.
Let's go on.
One.
You got one.
Oh, a big one. Oh, it's got a long tail. It's one of those fantaily
Oh,
ones.
it's got stripes on it.
He's cool. Can we keep that one for us?
Probably not.
Oh no, please, please, Daddy. Oh, please keep that
It
one.
does have a long,
He's a
real long
fantail.
tail.
He's a swordtail. He's a swordtail.
Beautiful.
He's a swordtail. Yeah, which one?
That one right there with the really long
Mom, he's a
tail.
swordtail. Oh my god, he is.
I wonder if we could keep him.
He's a swordtail mixed breed.
That's pretty cool. Hey.
There's so many in here.
He's a hybrid. Yeah, he's a hybrid. Oh my god, Mom, he actually is a hybrid.
Mm.
Oh, we've got to keep that one in our guppy tank. Can we?
Well, I don't know how we're going to get him back
I just saw
because we were just going to leave the bucket at Dave's.
That's big ones like that. I saw bubbles in the water about that big. Who's Dave?
Hey, look up. That's a lot of them in the big fish tank.
Oh, we giving all the guppies to him.
Yeah, he wants them for food for his pet.
Okay, well, can we just keep that one?
Yeah, we're going to try and find a way to get him home, darling.
Put him in my mouth. I'll scoop up some water.
That's gross.
Okay, Mum, it looks like he's living in your water bottle for
Yeah.
today.
Go down. I'll just go down there.
Wait, Mum, we can put him in our hat. I'm going to sprint him.
Gross. Better off in the net, darling.
Wow. Didn't he just die in there?
Alright, Dave's going in.
Dad, catch my ball. What? Can I take my shoes off? Oh my God.
Why?
Because.
Bucket. Someone's in the way of the bucket.
Just move.
They end up in the water.
Closer.
Oh my God, look at how many big fish there are. Oh my God, they're actually like probably the size of my thumb. See? Guppies. Yeah, there's
Stop stomping around, guys. The vibrations.
They're eating the small ones. Dad, we gotta go keep the net in here. Yeah, we have to. That's huge.
Get any, Daddy?
Yep.
Put in the bucket.
The bucket? There's a brown. What? There's so many people literally here. Look.
It's not so much here, it's just getting washed down.
Scanning? No.
Yeah, just put one in there. There's a little buddy one here.
Oh, little baby.
Oh, so
Oh, that is a real baby one.
Squish his head.
Mhm.
Nah, it's not the size. It's not even the size of any of my pets.
They're just smashing all these worms. There's heaps of worms around.
Like mosquito larvae?
No, actual like little worms.
Oh, really?
Grab one.
I haven't seen it even there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Dad,
They must be coming out of the soil.
Dad, grab a worm and then like bait them.
Yeah, there's worms in the net already. There's so many guppies.
Oh, yeah, they just all swam out from there.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many we got so far, Ollie?
This one's stuck in the leaf. Might be another one stuck in the leaf.
Oh, gosh, some of these are really big.
So you want one there?
No, no more, Ollie.
bunch of big boys. There's a couple of big boys over here.
Oh my gosh. Did he come off?
No, it's underneath.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Mum.
There.
Over here. Right over here, there's like massive ones. Come see how big this one is.
Hang on.
Just gotta get rid of all these ones out of the net first,
They
right?
just left. Yeah.
Well, he didn't.
I was staring at you.
It's not like he just like got on a plane and flew to another country. He's still in the water.
Mum, it's
There's
not
some
there.
really big ones, Sean. Look at them all.
Yeah, there's some big ones, aren't
Dad, come
That's
over here.
right. Oh, they're all eating the worm. They're all swarming on the worm.
they? Oh yeah, look at them.
They're all swarming on the worm.
What's this guy?
Oh wow. Yeah. Okay. They're jumping.
Look about the size of my middle finger. My longest finger. They may be even the size of mine. Oh, but you know what? Oh, we have way too many guppies now.
No, not for us. Remember? Or just watch them. That's coming away. The meat
Might be
shifting
something
it.
amongst that.
Oh, yep. Oh, wow. Gosh, that one's pregnant.
We're ready.
Oh, yeah.
Can we keep the pregnant one? None of them are pregnant. This is how they look.
No, that one was pregnant. I can't get him up. My right hand.
Let's keep the pregnant one. Can you please keep the fantail? I mean, not the fantail. What is it called again? Swordtail. Yeah. Can I go say hi to Miss Kingy? Hybrid.
I don't think she's home.
Oh. Can I go knock and see?
Um,
Let's break in. Let's break in, steal
Maybe
stuff.
not. Those orange ones are so cool. There is a pregnant one in there. She's full as a goog too.
I see her.
Big Bella.
She's swimming so fast around. Do all the guppies know they're about to get clobbed? But it's like a massive garage.
Did I catch plenty? And kids just go fishing and drop the net down now?
Yeah, there's heaps in here, honey.
Alright, put those rocks back in there, Ollie, and just drop it over the edge and do the normal one. Fish, you want to have a go at catching some?
No, thank you.
You don't have to come down here.
Do it from up there, Bella.
And hold it and wait for them to swim over the top.
Don't like this. That's good.
Yeah, there's heaps in there. I wonder if you can put it in there. Is it deep enough now at the moment?
Mom, I found a little poo.
Oh, I wouldn't touch that, sweetheart. You don't even know what that is.
Look at them all. There's like
It's just
50
there, it's
of them
rubber.
just there. Just sitting on top.
Yeah, see, I told you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why can't we just... Probably just can't. Couldn't get it
through.
down.
No, I'm going to get through there. That's it.
Oh, look at that big one. There's a really, really big one out there. That's huge. So cool.
Look straight up. Oh, this one's not it. Oh, no.
Not anymore.
Oh yeah, there's heaps there. You might have to sink it down a little bit lower, darling.
See your swordtail.
There's not very many there.
There's heaps over here, but see it on the bank? Just, yeah, that really orange one, Ollie, can you see that?
Can I get step down there?
Look at the spider. Look at the spider.
Can I stand like right there?
Looks like he's ziplining. Look at him. Yeah, cool.
Wait, I'm trying to catch one of those size. Try and catch one of those.
What, skipping spiders?
Yeah.
Nah.
Why? They're
Got
cool.
got no use for them. Oh, actually, you know what? They would be cool for, Sean.
Yeah.
Feeding
See?
the driftwood. Right.
No, I put it up, man. You're spinning it for way too long. Looking for a 20 on the other.
Okay.
No, this go with the good one.
Yeah, but there's such big ones down here.
I know, but
Can
they're
I, like,
smart.
Can I stand like right there and just joink it at them?
Nah, bigger they are, the smarter they are, kiddo.
Please, mommy. Just
That's here, not there. It's
okay. Dad, stand right like on the bank there. And please,
Oh,
can
the
we
bank's
catch one?
really like sandy and muddy, Bubba.
Please, can we catch one?
One what?
One of those,
One of those skipping spiders. I don't reckon we'll be able to catch them. They're pretty fast.
Just see, like, yank it up when they're under. There's one over there.
Big old stick.
Oh, right, to scare them over to it?
Yeah, use your phone.
No, go be long, Bubba. What about like a long piece of grass? You know, the...
I'm gonna go see if